हेलो नाइन्थ क्लास की बच्चा पार्टी। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 लेकर आई हूँ जो सीबीएसई की तरफ से आया हुआ है। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे मैं आज आपको इसमें एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करवा रही हूँ। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट सेटअप टू डिटरमिन द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द आइस। तो योर ऑप्शन नंबर 3 बी, थर्ड डायग्राम, क्योंकि आपकी जो आइस है वो इसके अंदर डिप होनी चाहिए टेम्परेचर थर्मोमीटर। एंगल्फिंग ऑफ द फूड मटेरियल और द फॉरेन बॉडीज बाय द सेल लाइक एमीबा इज कॉल्ड एज एंडोसाइटोसिस। Which of the following give both the direction and magnitude? Direction magnitude आपको मिलता है वेक्टर से, so option number D. Which of the following is the fastest growing carp? That is your कटला. Nerve cell does not contain any. Nerve cell में axon होता है, dendrite होता है, nerve endings, तो does not contain, that is tendon. Which of the following is the correct for the given figure? ये आपके पास given figure है स्टोमेटा की, तो यहाँ पे B ऑप्शन आपका राइट आंसर है. The part labeled A is the site of the dark reaction. What are A and B? In this figure, A और B हमारे पास क्या है? So your option number B, A, that is divide by 22.4 liters and B is divide by 22.4 liters. Smooth muscle consist of dash filaments that are not arranged in the sarcomeres, giving it non-straighted pattern. So thick and thin. The position of the water level in a measuring cylinder before and after immersing a solid in it are as shown in the given figure. The volume of the given solid in centimeter cube is. So here the answer will be B, that is 1.8. The speed of the train increases at a constant rate A from 0 to V and then remain constant for the interval and finally decreases to 0 at constant rate P. So if L is the total distance traveled, L हमारा total distance है, then the total time will be your option number B, L upon V plus V upon 2, 1 upon lambda plus 1 upon beta. If k element shells जो है atom के अगर full है, the total number of the electron in that atom are the option number C, that is 60. To prepare a mount of the human chick cell, अगर हम human chick cell का mount बनाते हैं, the sample is collected, that is option number B. What is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis in the plant cell is defined by shrinkage of the cytoplasm in hypertonic medium. A change is said to be physical change. Physical statement change कब होता है? No energy, energy भी नहीं होती है, reverse हो सकता है, no new substance. So all statements are correct. So your option number B. Select the correct statement. A solution in which size of the solute particle is about 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter is called as true solution. Solution which contain maximum possible amount of solute at any given temperature is known as saturated. In the suspension, the size of the particle is of the order 10 raised to the power minus 7 meter or larger. So a colloid is a heterogeneous system. So all are correct. So your option number A. Enrichment of the water bodies with the nutrient to excessive growth of the phytoplankton is known as eutrophication. तो हमारे ये एमसीक्यूज कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. अगर ऐसी वीडियोस और आपको चाहिए तो आप लाइक एंड कमेंट जरूर करके जाना. थैंक यू.